Hi guys, this is Learn and Earn with Earnathon. In our previous video, we explored the history of meme coins. And on today's episode, we will be looking at two types of meme coins and their use cases. First of all, Dogecoin. Leading the meme market with the highest market cap is Dogecoin. Dogecoin was created in 2013 by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It was inspired by the meme of a Japanese Shiba Inu dog and was intended to be a joke cryptocurrency to attract mainstream attention. Dogecoin adopts the same proof-of-work mechanism which is used on the Bitcoin blockchain, and it has no maximum supply. And secondly, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the rival of Dogecoin and is often referred to as the Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu is also named after a Japanese dog breed, and it was created by an anonymous developer named Ryoshi in August 2020. The main difference between the rival meme coins is that Shiba has a limited supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, and its ecosystem also includes a decentralized exchange, NFTs, and even an NFT game. At the moment, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu do not have any real-world use cases. In 2021, the meme coin market saw massive growth, especially the dog-themed meme coins. After the success of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, a large number of meme coins entered the crypto market and gained traction within the second half of 2021, such as Wakanda Inu. And that's all for now. Join me in the next video as we take a more closer look at Wakanda Inu.
Earnathon, redefining learning.